Welcome back. Today we got penne pasta.
What would you call it? Penne pasta.
Penne pasta with meatballs.
Yes.
Focus in.
There it goes.
There we go.
Thumbnail?
Yeah.
Before we forget. Okay.
Alrighty.
Looks good. Breadsticks.
I made the meatballs with jalapenos and onions. Sabrina's favorite.
Totally.
Mm. Good.
This? I was super surprised when he said he was gonna make pasta and breadsticks.
It's in a pasta mood. I'm gonna go get more breadsticks.
Give it a different punch. Tropical?
Tropical.
With our tropical punch. Minute Maid, of course.
Yep.
What?
Splash a little bit of sauce. Do you want to talk about our first date? I know we made a video talking about it, but I don't think I ever made it out because I think one of the parts wouldn't like upload or something. Remember, I was having that trouble. Yeah, you can start it.
Okay, well, what did we do? We went to see a movie, The Hollows.
Yeah.
So on our first date, he took me to see a movie. It was The Hollows. The Hollows is about like some theater kids, and isn't it like a ghost or something?
Yeah, some
Haunted movie, of course. You want to see it on your first date. So we went and seen that. Then we went to go eat. I can never remember the place. I know
Gourmet Grill.
Gourmet Grill. We went to the Gourmet Grill, and if you don't live here, obviously you don't know what it is. It's just like
Mediterranean food.
Yeah.
Gyros.
your gyros and all that stuff. This is good. It's hot. And with a little spicy chick. So we went there and all was going good. It's going good, and then he gets a text from his ex.
Yeah.
This is kind of where it just
Goes sour.
goes downhill. You want to tell it?
Yep. So,
Let me try your meatballs.
so I broke up with my ex like a week ago while we was on our date. And,
Was it a week? I thought it was like longer.
a week or two. I can't remember. It was 4 years ago, 3 years ago. We broke up. They had suspicion that I liked her, but when we broke up, we went on our date. I put her on my Snapchat, and then once I put her on my Snapchat, I guess I had an informant who was following me, probably a friend close to her, had pretty much showed her like, oh look who's HAKIM, look who HAKIM is with, yada yada yada. So then they text me, her and her sister texting me, blowing me up, like, oh, you fucking lied, cheater, blah, 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 this and that, this and that. And pretty much kind of ruined the date.
Yeah.
The mood, the date was
especially like for me, I was kind of just like, dang, I don't want to get into that stuff. Because I don't like drama. Drama to me is just like not attractive. It's just like, you know, nobody wants to be in drama. I mean, some people probably do, but I was just like, I kind of was like, did I say something along the lines of, is this gonna work?
Yeah.
I was like, is this gonna work? Is this gonna be okay?
And I'm like, yeah.
Because I didn't want him, you know, talk to me and then just get back with her. If that makes sense. Because it's not like we weren't ever texting while they were dating. I never talked to him, didn't even have his number. What? So that happened. It kind of like killed the vibe. But we were trying to like. Did you block him?
Yeah, I ended up blocking him.
You ended up blocking him so we could go on about our date and stuff. And then we get done eating and it's still kind of awkward, but not really. We try to just like forget about it. And
yeah.
I tried to give him the benefit of the doubt that they were just, that there wouldn't be any future drama or anything. Because he said he was done and, you know, I believed him. He seemed different from other people. So when he told me something, I could like believe him and stuff. So we were leaving. He was getting ready to take me home. And guess what? His car won't start.
Yeah. My trusty old Ford Explorer wouldn't crank up. So after the whole crazy ex and crazy ex's sister, we hop in my car, start my car, engine doesn't turn over, and I'm like, damn, I'm over here looking dusty. So
I was kind of just like, dang, some first date.
yeah, some first date. So I know somebody
my phone wasn't just
no, not right away.
no. Oh, some stranger, yeah.
Some stranger helped me jump my car. So I got it jumped and everything. Pulled it in reverse, start driving. And then my car slowly starts dying. My radio lights start dimming and stuff. So it dies in the middle of the street. So I'm like, damn. So another stranger helps us. So I was like, yeah, I don't know what it is. You know, my car slowly died. Driving, and then my car stops in the middle of the street. And then, so another stranger helps me out. And I'm like, I don't know what it is. You know, I think it's my battery. So, so this time we leave the jumper cables on my battery for like 10 minutes or so. He's revving up his engine, I'm revving up mine. I'm like, okay, cool. I think we good this time. Let's get it. I'm like, I appreciate it, you know, appreciate it. He drives off. You know, my car's still running. Hit the street again, slowly dies. So at this point I'm like, damn. It ends up being my alternator later that I find out. But so we get out the thing, and this was like maybe like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Was it?
It was late, 12 maybe. And so me and Sabrina, we ended up pushing my car off onto the side. So we ended up pushing my car on the first date out of the street, and then called one of her friends, and they took us,
Dropped me off.
dropped you off, and then can't remember much after that. But.
I know. Yeah.
So yeah, that was our first date. Yeah. Hey, if you go on a first date, make it memorable. I had it all planned out. I just wanted to see how much she was gonna be there for me, so I put her through hell on the first date to really see if she was ride or die. So
don't do that.
It all worked out. You know, she passed the test, so here we are.
3 years later.
Yep. We just had our anniversary not too long ago.
Yeah.
Our 3-year on June 6th.
So
June 6th.
we're not those people that keep track.
We don't do nothing special for it either.
Mm-mm.
Did we even do anything?
No.
No.
We used to.
Yeah. We used
But now
to
it's
keep
just
months and
like-
years. It's just like,
Now it's just like,
now it's like I survived another year with your...
shut up.
Ugh. Now it's just we made it through another one, you know.
Now it's when's he gonna propose?
Alright guys, see you guys next video. When I'm ready.
What is he? What?
Oh no.
What? What? I don't get why you're putting your fingers in my food when you didn't even want your food. Because I don't want you touching me. I don't want you touching me with nasty fingers.
That's not how we rockin'. It was at a mango punch today. You know.
I dyed my hair. Can you guys tell? Do you like it?
Back to black.
We had our family pictures today.
Yeah.
He wasn't having it.
It's cold out.
It wasn't that bad.
Skinny fella like me, I was cold.
Could have been worse. It was fun though. That's the first time we've ever had like family pictures. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna go down.
Yeah.
They'll be good though. Okay, so what are we doing? Making up
Funky.
my burps. You do something with breadsticks?
Gotta do something to him.
Did you put them on? Yeah.
Butter. Come with butter on it.
Oh, but you add like more?
A little bit.
Good. I'm a bread person. I love bread. At like restaurants. I
A
always
bread
eat
person
bread.
as well.
And then I get full off the bread and then I won't ever eat.
Texas Roadhouse has the cream of the crop.
I like Outback's bread and butter. Ooh, you know how it's really good?
Texas Roadhouse. Honey cinnamon butter.
What's it called?
Cannot go wrong with that.
Cheesecake Factory. I love the brown bread. Not the white. The white's
It's
disgusting.
good, but it's
The
not.
brown bread is good. I could eat that.
Yeah, the white is too hard. I'm gonna be tearing up the roof of my mouth. The brown bread is good, I'll give it that. I wish their butter was warm though. I hate them little cold squares of butter.
Oh, I know.
Shit's
If it
trash.
doesn't spread, it's annoying.
Yeah.
It's so good. I love the little oats on it. I always ask just to bring the brown bread. To just keep the white bread. You got your cereal, didn't you?
I did.
Nutter
I did.
butter?
Nutter butter cereal. About to bless my taste buds tonight.
What if it's gross?
I don't get gross cereal. I only get the finest of cereal
Whatever.
in my household.
Those jalapenos are gonna give me heartburn. I can feel it already.
Oh, toughen up.
Can't wait to get
Sheesh.
this baby out. So we'll definitely do the birth vlog since that's since some people said they wanted to see that. What do you want?
Man, what?
This? 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 You want the
Meatball?
meatball? Yeah. Take it. Here. You want to try it?
Here you go. You want some? No. Meatball.
He
Figure.
says no. I hate when he does that.
It's my first time making meatballs. It turns out a success.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, I've never made meatballs before. Just that nice.
Are you?
Yeah. You know how to cook, you can pretty much make almost anything. You can wing it. I wing it. I wing it. I wing almost everything. Just kind of taste as I go. You know, the finesser. I'm not a baker. Those are pretty straightforward to the recipes and stuff. I can bake, but it's not my forte. I'll leave the baking up to her.
Why do you want it then?
Turd. Man, what? Man, what? Man, what? As you can see, I got lined up, faded up. Muhammad's barbershop, you know what I'm saying? Come see me or my pops. You know what I'm saying? I came home, Sabrina thought I was looking like a snack. Scratch that. She thought I was looking like a 5-course meal, you feel me? I do look like a 5, you know what I'm saying? 4-course meal.
You're stupid.
Feel me?
Dang.
Look. Ah. Ah. Yeah, no sympathy.
Dang.
I feel it. I feel it. No sympathy. I like it. Keep your foot on their neck. Mwah. Mwah. Oh. Oh no.
We finally got a TV in our living room.
Yes, we got a 55-inch 4K.
Cause my dad
popped up on us with the 55-inch.
Cause he would always come over and there would never be like, we would always have the TV out of the living room and always have it in our room, so he kind of thought it would just be like a nice little gift.
Yeah.
For like Father's Day, Mother's Day.
It is. Let me tell you, Black Ops 3 Zombies look amazing.
I've never had a TV this big, so it's like crazy.
And I can't wait to play Fallout 76 on it. To any of our gamer subscribers, Fallout 76 is coming out November 14th, I believe. I'm getting the package. I'm getting the helmet. You feel me? The Brotherhood of Steel helmet, power armor helmet, whatever you want to call it. Power armor helmet.
He's been staying up till like 3 in the morning playing his little games.
So it's the only time I got time for it, you feel me? Cut hair, studio, come home, get on my computer a little bit after the studio, and then get on the games. At least I get my work done first, you feel me? You know, it's not like I'm just gaming my life away.
I know, but it's like, come to bed.
I mean, I gotta make time for it all.
Feet.
Well,
we actually remembered to do a thumbnail this time.
Yeah, we did.
The bread made me full. I ate like 2 sticks of bread.
She didn't like my food.
No, I liked it. But bread
you
makes
heard in her
me...
voice? Yeah, I liked it.
No, the bread.
Hater.
I ate a bunch of bread. And it's just that, I don't know, when I eat it, and then it gets in like, I get like heartburn. I don't know why. For the past couple of days, I've been having super bad heartburn.
Getting closer, that means the baby has a lot of hair.
Watch baby come out bald.
Hell no, we have no bald head.
Besides, stop please. You don't even want it. That's why you keep trying
You
to
want
pick
it?
it up.
You want it? You want it?
So yeah, after I'm done being pregnant, we'll have to do another spaghetti meatball stuff. Because I don't know what it is. Valentino's, I don't know if you guys have Valentino's. Do you?
No, probably not.
No? Oh, it's like
Valentino's is like a Midwest Nebraska thing, I think.
it's like the best pizza place, basically, here. kinda. But it's like popular. But
I personally choose Da Vinci's.
I don't know, any pizza sauces, spaghetti sauces, all that stuff gives me super bad heartburn.
The acidity of the tomatoes.
So I'm super excited after I'm done being pregnant, I can eat things again without getting like all this stuff. Because when I lay down, it sucks. It like all, the acidity stuff's like all in my throat and I can't sleep, and then it's just like, it's hard to sleep. So that's my life right now. I'm 37 weeks and some days, which means 2 weeks and like 6 days left. I'm hoping that she comes a little bit earlier, but
Almost there.
we'll do that vlog for you guys.
All right, guys.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Mom and family.
And then we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.
You say bye, baby.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say see ya.
Keep
Blow
on
a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Good
Big
job.
boy. I don't even know.
I don't know why he does that, but we'll see you guys next time. Ouch!
You hit us both. That's crazy. That's crazy.
See ya.
All right, y'all.
See ya.